If Figma is giving you a connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether the issue is caused by your network, security settings, cache files, or the desktop app itself, these steps will help you narrow it down and get back into your design files. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's test your network. A connection error can happen when your current Wi-Fi network, router, or even your internet provider is blocking part of Figma's connection. The easiest way to check this is to switch to a mobile hotspot or try a completely different Wi-Fi network. If Figma starts working right away on another network, then the issue is most likely with your original connection, not with Figma itself. In that case, restarting your router or contacting your ISP may help. Next, disable any security tools that could be interfering. Temporary network blocks are often caused by a VPN, Proxy, antivirus software, or a very strict firewall. If you have a VPN running, turn it off and try Figma again. Do the same for any proxy settings you've enabled. You should also check your antivirus or security app because some of them can block web apps or desktop clients from connecting properly. If you're using a corporate or school network, the firewall may also be filtering Figma traffic. Disabling these tools just for a moment can help you confirm whether one of them is the cause. Now let's clear the cache because stored browser or app data can sometimes break your connection even when the internet is working fine. If you're using the Figma desktop app, open the app and go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and then Clear Cache and Restart. This will remove temporary files and relaunch Figma with a fresh session. If you're using Figma in a browser, clear your cookies and cache data there as well. Old session files can become corrupted or outdated, and clearing them is one of the most reliable ways to fix login and connection issues. If the desktop app still isn't working, try the browser version of Figma instead. Open a supported browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, then sign into your Figma account there. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with the desktop application specifically or with Figma in general. If the browser version works but the app doesn't, that usually points to an app-specific issue, and reinstalling the desktop app may be the next step. The key thing here is to test each fix one by one, because that makes it much easier to find the real cause. Start with your network, then move to security tools, then clear the cache, and finally test Figma in a supported browser. In many cases, one of these steps will get everything working again without needing anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix the Figma connection error, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, software tips, and quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.